दुनिया में मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे बैटर्स जिनको दिक्कत होती है। तो मैं यही कहूंगा कि उस समय भी इट इज लाइक ड्राइविंग अ कार। जब रेड सिग्नल लगता है तो गाड़ी को रोकना पड़ता है सिग्नल पे। तो जब क्लाउड कवर रहेगा तो थोड़े अपने बैट को भी रोको। जब ग्रीन सिग्नल लगेगा, सूरज बाहर आएगा, तो चलो बैट को चलने दो वापस। एंड देन डिपेंडिंग ऑन किस गियर में गाड़ी चलानी है, सामने से कौन बॉलिंग कर रहा है, कितनी अच्छी कर रहा है, बॉल कितना स्विंग हो रहा है, ऑफ द विकेट क्या हो रहा है, वो देख के आप फिगर आउट करते हो कि ना गाड़ी को टॉप गियर में चलाना है या सेकंड या थर्ड गियर में ही रखना है थोड़ी देर के लिए।
सचिन, आपने वर्ल्ड कप के लिए 22 साल वेट किया था। विराट ने एज कैप्टन ही हैज बीन अराउंड फॉर अ गुड 7 years. When you are playing a match like this, the whole world is talking. Virat Kohli, ICC trophy, captain, best batsman, etc. What should be a player's mindset? How should he approach this? I mean, it is very easy to say, oh, you know what, it's another game. It is not another game. It is a World Test Championship final, for God's sake. So give me your own example. आपने वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल कैसे डील किया था, और अगर आप आज विराट की जगह होते, आप कैसे ये मैच को अप्रोच करते?
So as far as I'm concerned, I feel those anxiety levels are high before the game. But once the game starts, cricket takes over.
Okay.
And then all you need to do is just stay in the present and go step by step, follow the process. I'm sure the team would have had multiple meetings. They are strategizing various things. Stick to your plan. If plan A is not working at that given moment, or sometimes even opposition is wanting to surprise you. So if they are surprising you, then you got to have the presence of mind to move to plan B or make those spontaneous adjustments. You can't say that, okay, this is what I have decided and I'm going to play like that. Sometimes you need to be flexible, and that flexibility and adaptability is going to see you through. And that is what I would say. So anxiety levels are going to be high, understandably so. This is WTC, and in WTC, of course, it's discussed all over the world. People from different parts of the world would be watching this match. But that is a beauty. That is what you want as an athlete. That is exactly what you want. You want people to expect something from you.
Sachin, if it was in your time, you have prioritized Test cricket. You've lived for this format. You are hailed as the greatest of the format. Would there be, if there was a WTC in your time, आप खुश होते? आप ऐसा फाइनल अगर आप आज खेल रहे होते, how important would that have been?
हाँ, शुरुआती में तो I would have said कि okay, I mean WTC है, but एक बार वापस यही कहूंगा कि ना, गेम शुरू होता है तो वो एक then you have to do the same things. क्रिकेट बदलता नहीं है, सिर्फ टाइटल्स बदलते रहते हैं, गेम वैसे ही चलता है। और प्रेशर कितना लेना है नहीं लेना है, इट इज अप टू यू। सो आई विल जस्ट गिव यू एन एग्जांपल। वी हैड डिस्कस्ड दिस in 2011 World Cup during our camp. We had said that it is all about in which direction the pressure is going to be. If the force is going to be on top of you, it will slowly but surely sink you. But the force is with you, it will propel you to achieve what you want to achieve. So pressure कितना लेना है नहीं लेना है, वो अगर आप प्रेजेंट में रहोगे तो नेचुरली वो थोड़ा कम होगा।
सीधा सा सवाल सचिन, इतना लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं अबाउट टू स्पिनर्स। कई लोग कह रहे हैं आवर स्ट्रेंथ इज प्लेइंग टू स्पिनर्स, कई कह रहे हैं कंडीशंस को रिस्पेक्ट करो, 4 फास्ट बॉलर्स एक्सेट्रा। व्हाट वुड यू हैव डन? वुड यू हैव गॉन विद Ravi Ashwin and Ravindra Jadeja in the team?
See, I don't like to interfere when it comes to team combination, but this is a strong case because both Jadeja and Ashwin can bat. They can build serious partnerships down the order. So, and when people talk about spinners not getting enough assistance in England, I feel they get different kind of assistance which you possibly don't get as much in India. Now, people only talk about the surface, but nobody talks about what happens in the air. A quality spinner, when you have maintained the ball, if there is decent shine on the ball, a quality spinner will be able to drift the ball both ways in the air. Duke ball will drift, and you use the wind factor smartly, then you can deceive a batter in the air. It doesn't have to be always that, okay, off spinner is bowling, you've got to get the inside edge and get him out at short leg. You can drift the ball and